Good morning guys, how was your weekend? Welcome back to the COVID-19 home learning videos. Today we're looking at three-quarter puff pastry. I want you at home to make a three-quarter puff. You can use the English or French method, depending on which hat you wear, okay? If your mixer isn't big enough like our requirements here at TAFE, just work with it by hand. You'll probably need about 1 kilo of flour as your base dough. We're going to load those ingredients up for you. But the nitty gritty here, don't roll your butter puff too thin. You're going to squash that butter out. So I'm working at about 3 to 4 mil. It's always handy when you're doing a jalousie, which is the first thing I'm going to do. I've sort of got a piece of puff about 20 centimetres wide by 30 centimetres long. I'm just going to mark half of it so I know where the halfway point is. Okay, and I'm going to roll the base a little thinner. Now why would I do that? Purely because it's going to have and house the filling in it, so it wants to be thinner. I'm also going to dock very lightly the bottom of that pastry, and please, before you put your filling in, make sure that we load it onto your tray, okay, because it'll be quite difficult to pick up and move once the filling goes in. I've got an apricot and pecan filling, but you can use anything. Just remember, it's got to hold that moisture and it's got to be nice and moist. So I've used a couple of cake crumbs just to bind it together, a little bit of sugar and seasoning. So we're going to fill that filling in there. You're probably going to get apricots or pears, so just gently stew them. Okay, and the term jalousie, it could be a little bit of homework for you to find out actually what that term means. Okay, so I'll be asking you in Collaborate when we have our next session, I think it's on Wednesday, what the term jalousie means.